If your business has multiple franchise locations as long text pages or PDFs, can your customers instantly find the nearest branch, see services, and book an appointment in one click? MAPOG helps to create map where every franchise location is easy to find, explore, and contact without complicated GIS tools, while keeping everything organized and easy to update. Before creating the map, collect all franchise location details in an Excel sheet. Include important attributes like store name, address, services provided, customer ratings, website link, and coordinates. First, go to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Choose the Store Mapper template, since we are mapping franchise locations. Add a map name and description, and click Create to save the map. To match your business identity, go to Replace and change the logo so the map reflects your brand. Now go to Process Custom Location and select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. In Custom Location Settings, create a reusable template for your franchise data. Give it a name, color, and geometry type. Then add attributes such as store name, address, services provided, customer ratings, and set as text, multi-select. You can also add a book appointment attribute, set its type as website URL, and display it as a button. Enable contributor access so team members can add or edit franchise details easily. Lastly, save the template. Select it from the drop-down and upload the prepared CSV file. Select a unique ID to prevent duplicate entries. Match all attributes with the correct columns and select the field type as latitude and longitude. Then click Submit. Instantly, all franchise locations will auto-plot on the map. Each location automatically includes Get Directions and website buttons, making it easy for customers to reach the store in one click. Open a location and click Edit Custom Location Details. Here you can upload store images, business hours, and additional information. To make the map more informative, go to Add Layer Style and select Category Style. Choose the attribute Customer Ratings, then assign suitable icons and colors to visualize the performance of each franchise location. Using Display Properties, you can choose which attributes appear in the location panel. This helps customers quickly understand services, ratings, and availability before visiting a franchise. In Map Settings, go to Action button and add options like Book Appointment or a contact number. This allows customers to call or book directly from the map. Finally, go to Preview and Share. You can keep the map public or private, generate a shareable link, embed it on your website, or invite team members using the Add User option for collaboration. Instead of showing customers a long list of addresses, you can now offer them an interactive experience, where they can find locations, explore services, and take action instantly. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.